Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Jamaican small businesses could soon have greater access to digital tools under a new partnership between Liberty Business and the Small Business Association of Jamaica. The agreement will give eligible SBAJ members who sign up for qualifying Liberty Business broadband free installation, along with 6 months of digital services such as business website, custom email, cloud storage, and cybersecurity protection. The partnership will also provide training through workshops and webinars to help entrepreneurs adopt to the new technology. Small businesses account for about 90% of all businesses in Jamaica, with the initiative aimed at improving their competitiveness and long-term growth. Businesses in Montego Bay St. James have received a well and economic growth. Now let's move on to the other story. Businesses in Montego Bay St. James have received a well-needed boost after a weekend of entertainment during the Dream Weekend series. We have details in this report.
Waistlines gyrating and questionnaires circulating. An unexpected combination at Dream Weekend 2026. Tourism officials as well as the event's organizers were eager to find out if they made the right decision to move the Dream series from Negril to Montego Bay. And they wanted the views straight from the proverbial horse's mouth.
Negril have the strip, that's the only thing. But more space, more people, more accommodation, the hotel them better. I support our Dream Weekend from day one. Anyway, them did it. So we did a Negril last year, they are more this year. And we there, I will have vibe with it. Say Dream Weekend, I got Dubai, we are going to Dubai. If them go, anywhere them go, we are going there with it.
Everything connecting, people supporting, the logistics has been really good. The traffic woes that we were worried about, it did not materialize. The shuttles are working. As you can see, we're at Pier 1 right now. It's packed. People enjoying themselves. So all in all, smooth, well attended.
Alana is an agent based in the USA. Every year for 14 years, she books hundreds of visitors to the Dream series. She did so when the event was in Negril and now in Montego Bay.
Bigger increase than last year. Everyone loves Montego Bay.
Now Montego Bay is the original home of Reggae Sumfest. That event was hosted in St. Anne this year due to hurricane-related issues. Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce President Jason Russell says when Sumfest returns, the synergy it will create in Montego Bay alongside the Dream series will be unmatched.
You have new people coming into your city, you have tourists here, they're all eating, drinking, buying things. I mean, that's what we need. We need more Dream. Sumfest is supposed to be back, and we know what Sumfest does for the economy. With Dream, I think the future of Montego Bay looks bright.
And with school resuming in another 3 weeks, the business leader reasons this is just the injection people needed.
You're looking on the streets, it's vibrant. You have a lot of people, even before they get to the party, they have to go somewhere and buy something, eat. So if you look on the street, a lot of vending going on. I'm looking in the parties, a ton of security, a ton of bartenders, and the DJs. This is what we need for back to school. This is what we need to grow the economy. And it's a good look. It's really supporting Obey.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 728 points today to close at 373,285 points, while the junior market index declined by 38.89 points to close at 2,938 points. The advances were Palace Amusement, Proven Group, Epley Carbon Property Fund, Carbon Properties, Kingston Properties and Salada Foods. The losers include Consolidated Bakeries, Kingston Wharves, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Cygnus Credit Investments 10% preference shares, and Sterling Investments. 15 stocks traded firm. At the end of foreign exchange trading today, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $159.04. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.54. The pound is going for $213.55, while the euro is selling for an average $187.14. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.